Hello guys, welcome to your class. Today we are going to do poster making. So we are going to learn how to draft a poster. Guys, poster is used to attract the attention of the public, and it can give a powerful message which the words cannot give, that can be given by a poster. So first of all, we will talk about that why the post means how the posters can be used, what are the different purposes which can be solved with the use of posters, like for cultural shows, exhibition, seminar, workshop, fair, okay, educational institutions and students activities के लिए भी हम use करते हैं. Promoting sales of a product or a service, it is also used for that, and to influence the public opinions also, and advancing a social cause and so on. There are different and many purposes for that we can use posters. So we have two types of posters. First is for awareness of a social problem. Okay, so if I talk about for the awareness of a social problem, then see, the poster has been given here. The saving conserving water is a social problem. So first of all, we should know what are the important points which are to be kept in our mind, like if we are drafting a poster for making people aware about some social problem. So first of all, you should know about the detail associated with the theme, with the problem. Then you should know about the solution of the problem or effect of the problem or any additional useful information. Okay, and second type of posters are for an event. Like if I have a company and I'm just running a company of soft drink, then I'm just going to launch my product. So in that for that purpose also you can use posters. So if this is the case, then what are the points which are to be kept in our mind? First is, you should know the name of the event, date, day or time, purpose, what is the purpose, if, entry tickets and passes, and you should know about the highlights of the events and any additional information. Now, what are the important things which are to be kept in our mind whether we are when we are drafting any poster, any kind of poster? Two types of posters we have discussed here. So if we are just drafting any of the poster, so what are the points which are to be kept in our mind? See, a poster is designed to be put on the public place. Okay, so it should be designed in such a way that it should be the catchy, it should catch the attention of the public, of the passers by. So you can see here the bold letters have been used here so that it can be seen from a distance. Okay, so next point is, a poster should have bigger bold capital letters because it is to be read by the public from a distance. So here capital letters and bold letters have been used so that from a distance, if persons are going to see, then they can just easily read about that what the poster wants to say. After reading the heading, somebody can know whether he should read it out or not. Surely it can catch the attention. A poster should not have any extra or irrelevant matter. It should be kept in your mind that you should not just introduce any of the extra or irrelevant information in the poster. A poster can be made more catchy by using phrases, slogans or attractive language. Here, like you can see, this slogan has been used here. Water is the essence of life. Water level now, after that, water level going low. Okay, dangerously year by year. Now apply. Here we are focusing on one point, that is rainwater harvesting, and we have given here rainwater harvesting. And if somebody wants to know that what is rainwater harvesting, then he can just go on and he can read the following points and the purpose can be sorted out. Like if we have a particular heading, Okay, we have a slogan, and a small picture also has been given here, and the focus point also has been highlighted here. After that, the poster must be enclosed in a box. Okay, and at the end, if we are just drafting a poster for making people aware about a social problem, then it must be written that who is going to talk about, who has issued the poster. If you are going to follow these points, then surely the poster making will be very good with you. Okay, next poster is also about earth, about the social, like it can be called a warning, like the previous poster, this was about social, awareness, that people must be aware about the conserving of water. And here we want to make the people aware about earthquakes. So here, see, we have written earthquakes, so it can catch the attention of the passers by. And little bit smaller, we have written that what should be done if we are stuck in earthquake, then what should be done. Warning, 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 so that we can just warn the people, they must be attentive. Okay, and here some measures have been given. So if you are going to just draft a poster, you must have some knowledge about the problem, effect, and solution and all. And you must just find out what is to be highlighted in the poster making, because this is not an article or not a speech that you can write down whatever you want. We have a word limit, like more than 50 words must not be used, less than 50 words are going to be used. Okay, we have a word limit, but we are to convey everything and in a very interesting and very catchy manner. So, and at last I have written, means at last it has been written issued by, who has issued it. Okay, the department name or the particular organization name can be written here, and the poster is enclosed in a box. It is also very important. Now next is, see, here we have used I have shown you the poster making for a product launching. Okay, so first of all, like if the product is being launched here, so I have just shown you here that this bold heading has been written here, buy one get one free, and a very attractive picture has been given here. Okay, that what is all about. This poster has been enclosed in a box, and here something, some relevant information has been given, or something is some, like, see, this is to attract the audience, this is to attract the viewers. Okay, and here complete detail has been given about the product and all. Okay, so this is all. And after that, here we have given, because we are launching a product, so if the people are interested, then where should they go? Then here the address has been given. Okay, the address has been the product detail has been given, that what are the available product, what are the flavors and all are available with them. So the complete has been given here. Okay, and this is enough for the people, so that they can just see it, and they can purchase the product. So this is all about the poster making, students. I hope you have understood it well. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.